A while ago, my Samsung Galaxy S4 kept shutting off. It kept turning off whenever I was using it, or even when I wasn't using it. It would just randomly turn off and try to restart again. But whenever it restarted, if it got to the lock screen, it would shut off again. It never really turned back on unless I plugged it in, and once I unplugged it, it would shut off again. It kept going down to 0% battery randomly when it was at a fairly high battery percentage. Had a lot of trouble with it. It was really frustrating. I went all over the internet trying to find solutions, but I couldn't, and I came to a conclusion that it was a battery problem. This is the battery the phone came with, 2600 mAh battery, silver. I thought it would be really good, but it kept running out of battery so randomly, and it just kept shutting off. So my solution was to get another battery. I decided not to get the same type of battery because obviously it's not a very good battery. So I went on the internet and I did some research, and I found this battery called the RAVPower. It's a battery I got off Amazon. Their motto is reliable, affordable, and value, so I thought it was a great substitute for the battery they gave me. And it looks like this. It looks really nice. It's green and white and some gray. It's the same size and power as the old one, like this. I found it to be a bit thinner, and here you can see when the old battery is up against a flat surface. If you see the little light thing going through here, you can see that the battery is sort of bulged. It's like swelled up, which might have been a problem. It was never really inside the phone very well, so that was probably why it's sort of bloated there at the bottom also. But this is also, well, actually no, it's not 2600 mAh. It's a bit higher, 2800 mAh. So it lasts a lot longer. It looks good and it works really well. When you take the case off of the phone, the battery goes right in here. And you see those little 4 gold things, gold-colored things. They're not actually gold. You match those up with these gold things. I think they're like the ports or something. And you just put it in like that. It fits really well. It's made for like most Samsung products. It's that size. I'm not sure about the details, but fits really well, and it lasts a lot longer and should turn on. There you go. So that's a lot better than it was before. It wouldn't even do that. I've noticed already it lasts longer, and it keeps my phone on, and it solved the problem really well. I'll put the link in the description of the address where the place on Amazon where I ordered the battery. I got it for like $12 or something, and it just works so well, and I'm so happy, and it finally solved my problems. And I know other people are having the same problem, and I couldn't find anywhere that solved it. So if you're having this problem of it constantly shutting off, it's probably a battery problem, and just get that battery or really any other substitute for a battery, and you should be solved. It's called RAVPower battery, and it looks like that, and I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you.